Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard gel nails, easy method. Prep your nails first by cleaning, pushing cuticles, and shaping with a file. Work in a well-lit area and gather base gel, builder gel, brush, and a 36W LED lamp. Keep a lint-free wipe and rubbing alcohol handy to remove dust and oil. Take your time with each layer for stronger, longer-lasting results. Start with a thin base coat cured under a 36W LED lamp for the manufacturer time. Use builder gel to create the apex, applying thin, controlled layers and curing between each pass. Keep a small bead on the brush to control spread and avoid touching the skin. Continue building until desired strength and shape are achieved, then refine edges with a file for a clean, professional finish. After curing the final layer, file and buff nails to perfect the silhouette and remove any lumps. Clean the surface with an alcohol wipe, then apply a glossy top gel and cure to seal and add shine. Once done, nourish cuticles with oil and recommend avoiding prolonged water exposure or harsh chemicals for at least 24 hours to maximize adhesion and durability of the hard gel manicure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.